In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to add Apple Pay to PlayStation and whether or not it is possible to do this. You might be wondering if it is possible to purchase anything through the PlayStation Store and pay using Apple Pay. Maybe you have some balance left over in your Apple Wallet and you would like to use it to purchase add-ons or games directly through PlayStation Store on your console or the website. So, if you proceed to checkout after you select any items through the PlayStation Store, you will notice that Apple Pay is nowhere to be seen as a payment method, regardless of if you are doing this through the console, maybe through an iOS device on a web browser, you won't see it there. So as of today, is it possible to officially use Apple Pay during checkout on the PlayStation Store, or are there any workarounds to this? Sadly, as it stands today, as you might expect, it is impossible to use Apple Pay to purchase anything on the PlayStation Store. As you can see on screen, I'm going to show you the official payment methods accepted by PlayStation. You will notice that Apple Pay is nowhere to be seen. As of today, there are no workarounds to this to officially purchase anything through the PlayStation Store using your Apple balance. But I do want to highlight a possible workaround. If you somehow find a way to purchase a PlayStation gift card using Apple Pay, then you would theoretically be able to use Apple Pay on PlayStation Store. But keep that in mind. You will have to purchase a gift card. I do not have any recommendations about websites that currently accept Apple Pay for gift cards, but if you come across one, just purchase the gift card using Apple Pay as the payment method and redeem it your PlayStation account. But the purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation. It's just to let people be aware that as of today, PlayStation and the PlayStation Store do not accept Apple Pay as a payment method, so you cannot directly purchase anything through the PlayStation Store using it as a payment method. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.